If you want a little Turkish delight, I got some for you. Don't you know it's gonna taste oh so right? You want more, it's true.
Hello everybody, today we are going to make a Turkish specialty called poğaça. We are making a Turkish dish because we want to present the Turkish cooking culture. It's a pastry with feta cheese in it. It's also known as Greek cheese.
But we call it Turkish cheese, Robert.
Well, you can also prepare it with potatoes, spinach or minced meat, but we are going to make it with cheese because it's easier that way.
And now we are going to sum up the ingredients.
So we need 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, a cube of yeast, 1 glass of milk, a glass of melted butter, baking powder, 1 kilo flour, and some oil to shape the pastries.
So first we break the eggs in a bowl. So we are mixing all the dough ingredients now. You can add a little more flour or mineral water if either of them is not enough. So in the end, you should have a pliable and non-sticky dough. So our dough is ready. We covered it with a moist cloth and we have let it rest for 20 minutes. Now we are going to take small pieces from the dough and flatten it with our hands and fill it with cheese. So we are taking small pieces from the dough. So we said that we needed some oil. That's because we can shape it easier with the oil. So we flatten it. We put some feta cheese in it. And you can give every shape you like. It's easier this way, so I prefer this. We said that we need some egg yolks, and it's for the top of the poğaça, for the pastry. If you want, you can also put some poppy seeds on it. It's just beautiful. So we preheated the oven at 200 degrees, like you see that. And we put it now in the oven.
The cheese melts in my mouth. It's delicious. You'll be very successful.
It's also traditional to eat it with tea, Turkish tea, of course. So let's eat. Let's combine all the dough ingredients and mix them well.
Wat doet je, debiel? Zeg dat eerst.
You fail, Aylin, you fail. You fail, Asena, you fail. Hey, you fail, motherfucker. This is from Asena. This is from the failing Aylin. It's so ugly. And now, the queen. This
You mean this?
was made by me, Merve. No, this. This is so sexy.
Sonra pişince görürüz kiminki daha güzel.
Can you talk English, please?
Ovunu falan söylemedin.
That's Turkish, baby.
Ovunu söyle.
Wait. Boom.